Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. I made this video because on October 8th it's my birthday, and Tita Michelle, my tita, gave one set of Victoria's Secret and has 5 perfumes. But I love it. And the flavors are, the scents are, look at this: Secret Craving, Pure Seduction, Sheer Love, Love Spell, and Amber Romance. And I would like to thank my tita for giving this to me, and also the chocolates, because it's now empty. The box is so empty because I ate it, and my sister ate it, and my family ate it. And my favorite scent perfume here in this one set is Amber Romance, because it so smells like chocolate and honey and sweet. And my mother's favorite is this Pure Seduction, and my sister's favorite is Secret Craving and Sheer Love. And this is also my favorite. And I am here with my pet dog Clumsy, but my other dog Mugsy isn't here because she is so sleepy and tired, because she's playing with her ball. And this is I'm here with my Ate Joy, and she is sleeping. That. And okay, and look at my pet dog. He's hiding too. So this is the one set of Victoria's Secret perfumes. It's so little, but I'm so happy because I have so many perfumes now. It's only one set, and this one I didn't use it, but I think tomorrow I will use it. And this one. So belated happy birthday to me. So, but Clumsy. Who's that, baby? Who's that? Just playing with my hand sanitizer, and this is my bag. Here, Barbie. And that one. So again, thank you for watching this movie. Again, I would like to thank my Tita Michelle for giving me the chocolates, full of chocolates, and one set of Victoria's Secret, but 5 perfumes. So the flavors are Sheer Love, Pure Seduction, Secret Craving, Love Spell, and my favorite is Amber Romance. So again, thank you for watching this, and thank you very much, Tita Michelle, and thank you for guiding here. And she was sleepy, and also with my pet dog Clumsy. Say hi. He's only 2 months, and so bye bye. And again, I would like to say that Clumsy is here just on Friday, on October 5, I think. October 5, because my daddy gave this to me, and I would like to greet my daddy in the boat. So, hi Daddy, I miss you, Daddy. Bye-bye. So again, bye-bye. Thank you for watching this. Thank you, Tita Michelle, and happy belated birthday to me.